did want to work my way up from 13 back before I got the hot squat. I hope they put me on that rap in New York instead of the one in Chicago. I hear the one in New York's got a bigger chair than the one in Chicago. And I'm getting a little big in here.
Stop it, Doc. You're breaking my heart.
Well, maybe we're looking too much on the dark side. Maybe we should try and find a silver lining. Besides, it's always darkest just before they turn on the lights. There's an old Australian bush song that Melba used to sing. A song that always cheered me when I was blue. Even Melba said this bush song was a devilish song to sing. So be quiet whilst I render it for you. When your instincts tell you that disaster is approaching you faster and faster, then be like the bluebird and sing, tweet, tweet, tra-la-la-la-la-la. When you know your intended voice is chaser, don't allow the old face to look paler, but be like the bluebird and sing, tweet, tweet, tra-la-la-la-la-la. Be like the bluebird who never is blue, for he knows from his upbringing what singing can do. And though by other birdies in the house he may be told that his efforts are perfectly lousy, he sings on and on till his troubles are through. Tweet, tweet, tra-la-la-la-la-la.